Stop scrolling. Look at these golden beauties. Nigerian Buns is ready, and trust me, this is not a time to be on a diet. Look at that golden brown color. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. The kind of snacks that disappear before it reaches the table. Now, let me show you how this magic happens. So, into a bowl goes the flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon powder. That is optional. You can use nutmeg if you want, but I'm using cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Give everything a good mix, then add some soft margarine or butter. And yes, we're getting our hands involved because that is where the real love goes in. So rub the butter into the dry ingredients, mix very well using your fingertips until everything looks just like this. Next comes in the egg, followed by a cold cup of milk. Mix it very well. Now everything starts coming together into a very beautiful batter. A little extra water and we are getting closer to heaven buns. Continue mixing and adding water little by little until you get a batter just like this. Now we will let this batter rest for 10 minutes. Good things take time, but not too much time because we are hungry already. Oil is nice and hot and it's finally show time. Scoop and gently drop the butter into the oil. As the buns fry, they slowly puff up and turn from pale butter into beautiful golden balls of happiness. The aroma in my kitchen right now is absolutely incredible. Do not rush this part. Let them cook gently, turning them from side to side until every inch is perfectly golden brown. And there they are, fresh out of the oil and onto a paper towel to drain. Just wait until you hear the crunch sound when you're eating these buns. It's so delicious. I tried it out and everybody loved it. So repeat this process until you finish frying all your butter. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos and supporting this channel. I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate you, my subscribers. I love you all. Wow. Look at the soft, fluffy, pillow-like center. This is exactly what a Nigerian buns looks like. One bite gives you the sweet and comforting flavor, a crispy shell, and a soft center that melts in your mouth. If you grew up in a Nigerian home, this snack probably brought back so many memories. Tell me in the comment section, how many of these buns can you finish in one sitting? Did your mommy make this snack for you when you were growing up? And would you eat it with tea or a soft drink? If this video made you hungry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves Nigerian snacks. See you in my next video. I love you.